Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your MacBook and opening Chrome. This reduces interruptions. First, make sure Mac OS has finished background updates and close heavy apps to free memory. Once done, open Chrome from the Dock or Applications folder. Then, click the three-dot menu at the top right, because that menu leads to the update controls. You do this to reach Help and About quickly, which tells Chrome to check versions. Doing it immediately moves you into the update flow without delays. Next, select Help then About Google Chrome to trigger an automatic version check. This is how Chrome discovers updates. Chrome will download updates in the background. Make sure you let the progress finish rather than quitting early. While it downloads, save work in other apps. Updates can require a relaunch. Once the download is complete, you'll see a relaunch button. Click it to install the update and restart Chrome, so changes take effect and security fixes become active immediately. Finally, verify the new version in About and confirm tabs and extensions reopen. Chrome usually restores your session. If the relaunch button fails or Chrome hangs, quit the app from the menu or use Force Quit, then reopen Chrome manually. That often completes the install. If problems persist, restart your MacBook to clear locked files, and if necessary, download and reinstall Chrome to replace corrupted components. One quick troubleshooting tip: reboot first. Most update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.